I bet you didn't know you could make pizza on a campfire. Stick around and I'll show you how. Step 1, get that fire roaring. You need a good bed of hot coals for even cooking. Step 2, grab a cast iron skillet or some heavy-duty foil. Trust me, your food will thank you. Step 3, keep it simple. Think foil packet meals like veggies and seasoned meat. Fold them up, toss them in and let the fire work its magic. Pro tip, use a grill grate for classics like burgers and hot dogs. Or get fancy with campfire pizza. Just pre-make the dough at home, top it with your favorites, and cook over those hot coals until bubbly. Voila, you're now officially a campfire cooking pro. Happy camping and bon appetit.